Today, as womanhood is being celebrated worldwide, in Pakistan this day serves as a stark reminder of the ongoing persecution faced by women over the past 2 years. Despite being a country founded on Islamic principles, the treatment of women today bears no resemblance to the teachings of Islam. Their sole transgression is daring to speak up for their democratic and human rights. From being dragged on the streets to beating to enduring imprisonment, such injustices have become commonplace for Pakistani women. Scores of women were unjustly detained as political prisoners, while even the wife of a former prime minister faced egregious humiliation within the courts. Yet, amidst these atrocities, women's rights and human rights organizations remain silent, leaving the oppressed to suffer in silence.